What is up, my fellow fitness freaks? It's your boy, Coach Brian, in the house. Now, before we get started, let me say, if you're not feeling your best, go grab a cup of coffee, go for a jog, do a little twerk even, and come back to me whenever you're pumped and ready to rock. All right. Let's talk about the big topic of the day, counting calories. Now, I know some of you are already rolling your eyes in the back of the head and thinking, oh great, another boring fucking lecture. But hear me out. Back in the day, I made a video on my old YouTube channel about how I don't count calories. And let me tell you, I thought I was gonna get burned at the stake for fucking blasphemy. People were whining and moaning and saying all kinds of crazy shit in the comments. But listen up, Buttercup, there's more than one way to skin a cat. If you're a pro bodybuilder, or if you're trying to get on stage and prance around in your underwear, then yeah, you gotta count calories. Ain't no two ways about that. However, if you're just some regular dude or dudette trying to show off your abs or to get shredded, then I've got an alternative method for you called the portion size method. And let me tell you, it is indeed the shit. Now, some of y'all might be thinking, oh, this dude just made that shit up. But let me set the record straight right now. The portion size method was first introduced to me in a book by Bill Phillips, the founder of EAS Sports Nutrition and well-renowned fitness magazine, Muscular Development. And let me tell you, this gentleman knows his shit. Hell, Dr. Oz even recommended the portion size method in his book, You on a Diet. And if you know a board certified doctor is down with it, it's gotta be good. And if that's not enough for you, my main man, Tim Ferriss, author of The 4-Hour Body, is also a fan of the portion size method. So, take it from me, this method is 100% legit. So, here's how it works. I have about 6 to 7 meals a day, and for each one, I have a portion of protein, I have a portion of carbs, and a portion of veggies. And each portion is the size of my fist or my hand. Easy peasy, right? Now, if you want to bulk up, I add an extra portion of carbs. And if I want to slim down, I want to cut up, then I'll take away that portion of carbs and I'll substitute it with another portion of veggies. And let me tell you, it's working like a charm. So forget about all those calorie counting apps and Tupperware containers. Ain't nobody got time for that shit. With the portion size method, you can keep things simple and still get the results that you want. So try it out for yourself. Let me know how it works. And remember, stay strong, stay healthy, and stay fit. Until next time, guys, don't forget to hit that sub button, like my shit, holla back at your boy.